Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build your own website without coding? In this video, I will walk you through how to use Wix as a beginner step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have a live website ready to go. Go to wix.com and create a free account. Once you are in, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates. Pick one that fits your goal, whether it's a portfolio, online store, blog, or business page. Just click create new site, then studio template. In the search bar, search for portfolio marketing e-commerce landing page. Then choose a template from here, then click edit. Now you are inside the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens. Everything is drag and drop. Click any text, images, or section to edit it directly. Use the left toolbar to manage pages and elements and change site settings. Just click on it, enter your shop name like online store, use the capital letter online store, then zoom out, resize the text size. Now scroll down and click the plus icon, then click image. Now click add section. Now drag onto the picture onto your new section. Click on it, and that's it. Now resize the picture. You can change the picture. Just click change image and upload from your computer. Just click update. That's it. Click on the home page text to change your title, upload your logo, and edit the background image. You can change the opacity of image like this. From the left sidebar, click plus icon. You can add new title, paragraph, button, container, line, shape, gallery, video, then YouTube iframe video, etc. From assets or sections, you can add new page like that. Then about page, click on it, and it's added. Then click new section, go to plus icon, and select the menu and search, and add the about home work contact option from here. Just adjust the text. From here, click add an element and go to text and select a heading line and enter your text here. You can add new sections like testimonials, contact forms, or galleries by clicking add section. So want more pages? Click on menus. Again, choose from pyramid layouts like about, contact, or services. Edit each page just like the home page. Wix automatically makes your site mobile friendly, but double check it by clicking the mobile icon. Reposition elements if needed for a clean mobile layout. To let visitors reach you, add a contact form from the add panel. Connect your email, then link your social icons to your actual profiles like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Wix gives you a free Wix branded domain, but if you want a custom one like yourname.com, upgrade your plan and connect your domain easily from the dashboard. Now click the eye icon or preview your site. Then click desktop and select mobile, then tablet. That's it. If everything looks great, hit the publish button from the right side corner. Congrats! Your website is now live on the internet. Just click on get a free Wix domain or connect your own customized domain. You can use the hostinger or any other third-party domain website. For the Wix dashboard, you can manage everything: blog posts, SEO, payments, emails, and analytics. This is your website's control and center. So then click now enter your name in your site name here like that. Then click the save and continue option. Boom. So that's how you build a custom complete website on Wix as a beginner. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more website tips, and drop a comment if you want a full Wix store setup next. Then click watch now and done. Here it is. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.